Hello everyone. So far, you have seen me creating programs to automate STAAD and other stuff. They are basically rule-based programming. From now on, we are going to experiment with artificial intelligence and natural language processing to automate stuff. As a beginning, I have created an agent called STAAD Agent. What it does is like it will infer our prompt and then create a simply supported beam in STAAD. Okay, so let us see how it works. For the initial prompt, I'm going to provide create a beam. So the prompt is very vague. It does not have any particular information about the type or its length. So as a response, the model is asking like to proceed with creating a beam. I need to know the type and length of a beam. Yeah, okay, that it is right. The type of the beam is simply supported. And its length is going to be 8 meters. Okay, so right now like it has all the information. It should create a beam. Let us see whether it is creating or not, or it is throwing up more responses. Yeah, so beam is added successfully. As you can see, here is our beam, which is of length 8 meter. So from this little experiment, it is very clear that AI and natural language processing models can help automate structural engineering programs, right? To see more such stuff, do follow my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.